system is a group of people, events, the history, the culture. It's everything that makes up an organisation. Systemic constellations are a methodology for respectfully accessing system dynamics. So organisational systems are full of hidden dynamics. Systemic constellations allow us to see all of the dynamics. They reveal hidden architecture in relationship systems, which is what an organisation is, and allow us to influence and change what's going on in the system. So constellations are really useful if you're facing a difficult stuckness or a sense of inertia in an organisation, if something is not moving as you would like it, whether that's cultural change or improving your market performance. And constellations are really useful for leaders to look at what's hidden behind the system and underneath the team dynamics. So you can sit and talk about how to solve a problem all day, and many leaders spend many days in meetings trying to work out the way to improve their market share or their performance or change the culture. This can take a lot of time, and at the end of the day it's a matter of opinion and argument. Constellation is working on a completely different level. Constellation is accessing, often in silence or with very few words, what really needs attention in the system, what needs to be said, by whom, to whom, and what needs to be included. So it's a very different way of working. And so leaders who are feeling stuck or conflicted get very quickly fresh insights into the question they're exploring. Partly because they don't have to talk about it anymore. They can just experience it and stand in the truth of the system. And this idea of standing in the truth of a system is really what a constellation is. Constellation workshops open up another field of information, a whole nother layer or many layers of information, which can be very resourcing for leaders, consultants and coaches. If you're interested in a fresh way of looking at organisational change, organisational inertia or growth, then I would encourage you to explore the benefits of systemic constellations.